This video shows how to perform a suspension job on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. We'll install shocks in the rear, but in the front, we'll install these Duralast Loaded Strut assemblies. Now you can do this job at home with hand tools. You'll need a torque wrench, you can borrow that from AutoZone through Loan-A-Tool, a 1/2-inch breaker bar, a 21mm combo wrench, an 18mm combo wrench, a 3/8 ratchet, an 8mm Allen, a 3/8 1/2-inch drive, a 21mm 1/2-inch socket, a 13mm 3/8 socket, a 14mm 3/8 socket, an 18mm 1/2-inch socket, a 3/8 8-inch extension, a punch, some pliers, a 1/2-inch ratchet, a mallet, and some safety gloves and goggles. You'll also need a good hydraulic jack, some jack stands, and wheel chocks. Make sure the car is in park with the parking brake on before starting. To get started, we're going to have to remove this cowl cover to access the top part of the assembly. To do this, remove the wipers, remove the plastic clips, pull out the corners and slide off the cover. Set this to the side, but watch so the hose stays attached. Now use a 13mm to loosen and remove 2 of the top 3 nuts on the assembly. At the wheel, loosen the lug nuts, then raise the vehicle with a hydraulic jack and set it on a jack stand. Be sure to use secure jack points. Remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Remove the wheel speed sensor. Remove the brake line from the assembly. Disconnect and remove the sway bar link with an 8mm Allen and 18mm wrench. You may want to use the jack here for support under the knuckle and raise to remove the sway bar link. Remove the 2 bottom bolts and nuts with a 21mm wrench and ratchet. You may want to use the jack again here to adjust the assembly angle to help remove the bottom bolts. Remove the final top bolt. Hold on to the assembly while doing this so it doesn't fall. Install the new assembly. Install all 3 top bolts. Use the jack under the knuckle to line up and install the 2 bottom bolts. Raise the knuckle to install the sway bar link. Install the sway bar link. Install the brake line. Install the wheel speed sensor. Install the wheel and tighten the lug nuts. Repeat on the other side before installing the cowl cover. Once both assemblies are installed, install the cowl cover. Slide the cover on, fit the corners, install the plastic clips, and install the wiper arms. First, install the nuts, then the plastic covers. Now move back to the rear. Raise the car and remove the wheel following the same safety procedures as the front. Remove the top bolt on the shock. Use an 18mm socket. You probably need an extension to get around the undercarriage. Remove the bottom nut and bolt. These are both 18mm. Install the new shock. Install the top bolt. Install the bottom bolt and nut. Install the wheel, repeat on the other side, and you're done. We recommend going for a test drive, getting an alignment check, and enjoying your new suspension.